Why they threw that at me, I'm not sure. Now let's cross to Mike. I think he's between showers. Mike?
Whatever you want, Mal, I'm here for you. Yeah, it's been rainy again today. Hey, the good news this month in Melbourne, we've had more than 50 millimetres of rain. But when it rains around town, the question always is, but is it raining in the catchments? Well, the good news is, and have a look at these pictures, in fact, one of our catchments is currently overflowing. This is the Maroondah Dam, now filled to the brim. The overflow, it's not wasted, it spills out to the Sugarloaf Reservoir. And thanks to around 40 millimetres of rain this week, both the Maroondah and O'Shanassy sit at 100% capacity, and they are usually the first to fill. Mind you, the Thompson Dam, which is our largest catchment, is just 26% full, therefore nearly 3/4 empty. So let's not get too excited just yet. Okay, back to Melbourne. 7 degrees in Melbourne this morning, 15 degrees the maximum, but it's felt a lot colder than that the last couple of hours. Right now, 11 degrees, the humidity in the 50s, and the winds are west-southwesterly, blowing at around 20 kilometres per hour. Around town, as you tuck into your suit to keep nice and warm, temperatures include just 5 degrees at Mount Dandenong. Across our state, and it still is very wintry, isn't it? With temperature up to 4 degrees below average, -7 to 15, and again it's been wet. Overnight, up to 52 millimetres of rain at Rocky Valley near Falls Creek, followed by 50 at Buffalo. Today's top reading, 20 at Corryong, and then 16 at Mount William. And yes, it hasn't stopped snowing in the Alps. Our snow report shortly. Around the country, cold in Canberra, 3 to 9 with 4 millimetres of rain. Adelaide 15, Sydney, home to Hogues, 18, and in Brisbane 21. The satellite picture, and there's cloud approaching Western Australia, cloud leaving Queensland, and down here fronts are flicking up cloud and lots of cold air. Although a high is moving across, the sun won't shine for more than a couple of minutes at a time until the weekend, and it will warm up very nicely early next week. Interstate tomorrow, Hobart and Canberra both cold and wet and 3 to 11. Adelaide showers easing 15, Sydney windy and around 18. Across our state, some scattered showers tonight, possibly hail near the coast. Cloudy and windy tomorrow, isolated showers on and south of the Divide. More snow above 1,000 metres, cold and mostly cloudy, windiest in Gippsland. And in fact, there is a gale warning east of Warrnambool, a strong wind warning to the west, Bays and Gippsland Lakes, and again a sheep graziers warning. Around the bay, Frankston 8 to 12, Geelong 5 to 13. And at the forecast for Melbourne itself, cloudy, some scattered showers about tonight, maybe some hail, and again tomorrow some scattered showers. Hail not on the forecast tomorrow though, 7 to 14 degrees and still rather windy. Out on the bays tomorrow, we've got westerlies at west to southwesterly, 15 to 20 knots, seas half to 1.5 metres. Now for the week today, isolated showers 8 to 15, Sunday mostly sunny, light winds and 17, and then it's 18 and 19 degrees. That is the weather in Melbourne, and now time to check snow conditions at Falls Creek, and here's Sammy.
Thanks, Mike. Epic conditions this week. Powder snow has blanketed the Victorian Alps, and we've seen over 54 centimetres in the past 24 hours, making it our largest snowfall since 1992 here at Falls Creek. Looking around the resorts now, all 15 lifts here at Falls Creek are expected to be running waist-deep conditions in the trees, with International offering excellent advanced skiing. Mount Hotham should see all lifts with blue ribbon ideal. Mount Buller should see 19 lifts spinning, while Baw Baw expects 6 lifts for skiing and boarding this weekend. The outlook is for more significant snowfalls to continue right into Friday, with a possible clearing this weekend. Sun and deep snow. Doesn't get any better. Back to you, Mike.
Thank you, Sammy, and back to you in the studio, Mal. Good night.
Thank you, Mike. That's our news for this Thursday. Don't mention the war.
No, don't mention the Germans, no. Take care.